Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how to catch hackers when they access your files. So we have a method to find who is accessing your files or if any hackers is accessing your files. For that you have to use a third-party system that is known as canary tokens. I'll explain what is canary tokens before starting. Canary tokens is a cybersecurity tool used to track hackers when they get access to your personal data. It works by embedding your files with a specific tracking URL that alerts you through email when opened. So I will show you how you can use canary tokens to protect your data. For that, you have to visit the canary token website first. Just go to the website. Upon visiting the site, you will be greeted by the candidate token generator. The generator requires you to set up three fields. That is, the first one is for selecting the proper token for your file type. Right now, I'm just doing it for the Windows folder. So I'm just selecting Windows folder. Now, next field is to give your email address. So I'm giving the email address. Now the third field is for anything you want to remind yourself of when the alert has been triggered. So I'm giving a text. This can be a text. So I'll put it as me on my personal folder. And now you can click on create my canary token. Now it will create a token and you can download it. It will be a zip file. For now you have to download the zip file. Now just go to that folder. Mostly it will be in your download folder. Now just copy that. Just copy it and go to the folder where you want to place it. Let's put it on the desktop. I just want to add it to the old Firefox data. Now I just copy it here, paste it here, just extract it here. Extract all. I am giving the same, extract it here. Now I have extracted it. Now the trap has been set. Now try opening the folder and check if the alert has been triggered. So I'm just closing everything right now. Now just refresh it. Now I'll just go to the folder. This is the folder which I have set the canary token. Just open it. Now just go and see if the message has been triggered. Now, even after setting the canary tokens, you are facing issues with not getting the alerts. That might be the issue with the Windows 11, the path not set on Windows folders. And if you're using Windows 11 and the Windows folder won't trigger on alert, in that case, there is an option which you have to set. You have to go to the group policy editor. You can open it from using the command line, and from there just click on computer configuration, and from there just go to the administrative templates and then move to the window components and then go and search for file explorer. Now open it, and here you will see an option: allow the use of remote paths in file folder icons. file shortcut icons. Just double click on it, and if it is not enabled, make sure that it is enabled. Now move down and click on apply and click on OK. That's it. Now let's go and check the email.